In this photo shoot, we were trying to capture our models in a barista setting. Which of our models do you like the most? Bella Martinez, a Miami native, has been making waves in the swimwear modeling industry for the past 5 years. Known for her radiant smile and confident demeanor, Bella's passion for modeling is matched only by her love for the ocean. Sophie Reynolds, hailing from the sunny shores of Sydney, Australia, has quickly risen to international fame as a sought-after swimsuit model. Her striking features and athletic physique, honed from years of competitive surfing, have graced the covers of top fashion magazines worldwide. Ava Thompson, originally from the picturesque coastlines of Cape Town, South Africa, has taken the swimwear modeling industry by storm. Her statuesque figure and captivating presence have made her a favorite among leading swimwear designers. Chloe Sullivan, a Los Angeles native, is a rising star in the world of fashion modeling. Her exotic looks and natural grace in front of the camera have quickly made her a sought-after talent in the industry. Chloe's commitment to fitness and a healthy lifestyle is reflected in her radiant glow and toned physique. Meiling Zhou, hailing from the bustling city of Shanghai, China, has carved a niche for herself in the international modeling industry. Her striking features and elegant poise have graced numerous high-fashion runways and magazine covers. Aiko Tanaka, born and raised in the vibrant city of Tokyo, Japan, has made a significant impact in the global fashion industry. Her unique aesthetic, combining traditional Japanese elegance with contemporary style, has made her a favorite among top designers and fashion houses. Jae-yeon Park, hailing from the dynamic city of Seoul, South Korea, has rapidly ascended the ranks of the international modeling industry. Her striking features and versatile style have made her a favorite on runways from Paris to New York. Natalia Petrova, originally from the historic city of St. Petersburg, Russia, has made a name for herself in the international modeling industry. Her timeless beauty and commanding presence have made her a favorite on runways and in fashion editorials worldwide. Gabi Silva, hailing from the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, has quickly risen to international fame in the modeling industry. Her radiant smile, captivating features, and natural charisma have made her a sought-after talent for top fashion houses. Amélie Dubois, born and raised in the romantic city of Paris, France, has become a celebrated figure in the international modeling industry. Her classic beauty and effortless elegance have graced countless runways and magazine covers. Alessa Romano, a native of the picturesque city of Florence, Italy, has made a significant impact in the global fashion industry. Her Mediterranean beauty and innate sense of style have made her a favorite among top designers and fashion houses. Linh Nguyen, a dynamic talent from Hanoi, Vietnam, has emerged as a fresh face in the global fashion scene. Her delicate features and captivating presence, coupled with her ability to adapt to diverse styles, have made her a sought-after model in both Asia and beyond. Eliza Schmidt, a captivating talent from Berlin, Germany, has swiftly ascended the ranks in the world of international fashion. Her distinctive look and dynamic presence, combined with her ability to embody a diverse range of styles, have made her a beloved figure in the industry.